This is a Citizen, model A20 Type 6 CNC Swiss screw machine. This machine has a 20 millimeter bar capacity. The main spindle has 8,000 RPM max speed, and it has an indexing capability of full C-axis programming on the main spindle. It also has a sub-spindle with 8,000 RPM maximum speed. That sub-spindle also has full C-axis programming. The machine has an XY travel main slide featuring 3 live milling tools. The live milling tools can each turn at a maximum of 8,000 RPM. That main slide also has 7 stations for static turning tools. The machine is equipped with 4 static front-end working stations and 4 static back-end working stations. This machine also has an Edge Model C-320 magazine bar feed.